Yeah, welcome back to the Van Rap Radio. Ngadina liduka niswana ni mwana ndwa mahunguni. There's a question, ndokubudisiwa, like the question is why bunjiyaba imbi basa todushara zwine vamwe vambakita zwone ka social media. Rina wana ara mwe mubisa limboy. The rest wouldn't even give a damn when wako share kana wako mbangaro unless we featureiwa or their friends or something. Okay, I'm gonna try to look at different things as fast as I can. But first of all, is news about Zonani Zori. When Yamu Baba Imbi Babonori, if Hangasuka une a share Rimbo Amunwe and a share Zunum Takuta Zone and a music video Amunwe. Ola Mutuangam Jeraz Fan or Udoba better than Enegana, Udo Jerapa Sur Eno Kunanga, Ola Mumwe artist or what you call kissing ass like shit. Come on. Kanti, it's not about that. News about Zonani Zori. Ka post 2005 dzine ngani ngozi poster on social media as an artist. Post mbili kha 5 at least adzive nga muṅwe muthu kana nga muṅwe mimbi kana nga zwiṅwe zwithu zwine muṅwe mimbi a khou ita zwone. That things usika hune zwa builder. I'm sorry about that, guys. My microphone seems to be falling. That things usika hune zwa builder a relationship with different it can be brands, it can be artists, can be the followers, can be fans. So if you are able to share to Zwitor you're gonna win more people to follow you, more fans to follow you. But what was generally when they never feel no, this nigga don't do it, so this guy don't feel longer. And it's not how it works. Your channels are closed because you're feeling like you can do it on your own. You push and link up you can't. You don't want information or get invited to certain conferences because you just want to be on your own. So nobody knows how they can reach out to you. So if you are able to share content the pride it doesn't pay you anything. It does not pay you anything. Let me be honest with you. You'll see your music progress. Ninga argue and diss everyone and fight with everyone and write and go south, west, east, north like shit. Come on. Nigga shit. Let me be honest with you. If he's saying you fighting to be king, fight for something that is worth it. Don't fight for comments and likes. The next thing in the next 4 or 5 years, you're crying about when you violate the channel. Your attitude, your behavior is what is blocking you. How you communicate, how you relate to other artists, how you relate to other people, how you relate to your friends, it's what matters. Come on. So, if people or artists will start understanding or they need to build and work and network with other people, is going to be different. It's not only happening in music, it's also happening in businesses. It's only happening in a lot of things because you see people that got friends, they got whoever they have, but they can't do anything, man. They can't do anything to change their friends or gonna help them out to push the hustle. I'm one of the people that never depend on other people sharing my stuff. I mean, like my friends sharing my stuff. I don't. Because I know, come on, niggas might not share. So I'll do it on my own way. I'll do it with people that want to do it. That's why I'm trying to come up with things that I know what people will really like and what people will really like to share for others to see because they're enjoying what I'm doing or what I've wrote or what I've shared or what I've posted. So one thing is that out of 3, 4, 5 posts, trying to include other 2 people. If it's business, trying to include other people's business. Trying to market them. Because if that other one has 100 fans and that other one have 100 fans, you both sharing each other's stuff, that other one have, if there's 10 of you and you all sharing fans, you already, each and every one of you have 1,000 fans probably by the time you finish sharing each other's stuff. You even gone over 2,000, 3,000 because you actually working hand in hand. You don't have to do a song together. You don't have to be on the same video and all the stuff. You just do it for the way and studying the system. How do you beat the system? If you're going to follow the system and follow this system of that has been happening for years and years, you already the artists to show you men enough. Let me tell you, real men build their hustle. avana chipinga chatotaura zvazvichere nosemana namini. They go and build the hustle. So I hope you understand what I'm saying. I'm not trying to step on somebody's toes. What I'm trying to say is the reason artists don't share other people's stuff because they feel already but better than the other people. They feel already they don't need to because they're going to do it on their own. Until when they hit the stumbling block and they start coming like, people don't share my stuff, people don't care about me, people don't buy my music. And that. Are you helping other people to help you? Chanda ye, chanda boy. Nigga shit. I'm out here and if you're looking for me, you know what to do. Hit me up. 0826937124. Subscribe, like, and comment. And when you subscribe, make sure that you hit the notification bell. If you have any question that you still want me to answer, drop it on the comment and I'll check it out and then I'll do my best on the reply. Let's not do and so on and one and one mahongo ko dinam dinam dani no hotina zgodi ni ko banyoludza. Ichenda na muzi mudo do wana panda. Terry amara here. Nda.